Hello. The daily uplifting news beautifully visualized by Information is Beautiful, July 25, 2020. Today's visualization is about the EU will require key electronic appliances to be easier to repair. Take, make, use, discard. The tech industry thrives on this model. When something breaks, it's thrown away and replaced. Less than 40% of the EU's electronic waste is thought to be recycled. So-called right-to-repair laws challenge this system. Allowing people to replace defective parts means devices last longer. It dampens the demand for new ones. Saving money, preserving resources, cutting emissions. Thanks for watching. And don't forget to like, comment, and share.